Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to export and download your Google account data natively. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer and navigate directly to takeout.google.com. Once the Google Takeout interface layout loads, look at the top of the application list and verify that Select Data to Include is active. Scroll down through the list of Google services where all items like Gmail, Drive, Photos, and YouTube are checked by default, or click Deselect All if you only want to download specific assets. Check the boxes next to the specific app architecture packages you want to archive, then scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click on the Next Step button. Inside the Choose File Type, Frequency, and Destination panel layout, click the Transfer To drop-down menu to choose between receiving a download link via email or saving the data directly to Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Look below under the Frequency section and choose Export Once. Then set your preferred file type to zip and select your maximum archive split size, such as 2 GB or 50 GB. Click directly on the blue button labeled Create Export at the bottom right corner of the configuration layout to authorize the file packaging process. The Server Infrastructure Framework will instantly begin compiling your data logs into compressed archives, which can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days, depending on your profile size, before sending you a final notification with your secure download links. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future project. Thank you for watching.